Hi, so in this video we're going to be looking at using partial fractions to help us with our integration. Now if you're not so sure on partial fractions, please go and watch a video on them just to help you, but I will go over one example in this video. Okay, so what we're trying to do, we get given something like this to integrate. Looks pretty hideous, but what we can do is separate it out into its partial fractions, and then we actually have terms that we can integrate individually. You often integrate with this sort of thing using ln. Okay, so here's my example. I want to integrate 3x plus 1 over x minus 5 over times x plus 3. So I write it as a partial fraction. So I do a over one of the brackets and b over the other bracket. If the thing you have on the denominator here hasn't been factorized, you will need to factorize it into the two brackets. I'm then going to use the cover up rule to find a and b. So I start off by looking at my a bit. I look at the denominator and I say, when will that go to 0? That bracket goes to 0 when x equals 5. I then cover up, because it is the cover up rule, the x minus 5 bit. And then I substitute the 5 into what's left. So 3 times 5 plus 1 over 5 plus 3. So that will give me 16 on the top, 8 on the bottom, and I get an answer of 2. I then want to look at the b bit. So I say, when does that bracket go to 0? That bracket goes to 0 when x equals minus 3. I then want to cover up my x plus 3 bit. And then I want to substitute the minus 3 in what's left. So I get 3 times minus 3 plus 1 and minus 3 minus 5. And then when I work that out, that gives me minus 8 on the top and minus 8 on the bottom. So I get 1. So then I have my fraction in terms of its partial fraction. So I put in for a, I put the 2, and the b, I put the 1. And so I have this here. And now I can just integrate this. So I put my integration signs in. And when I integrate 2 over x minus 5, I get 2 ln x minus 5. And I don't need any further adjustments to this because I've just got single x in here. If I had 2x here, then I would obviously have to divide by that 2, but I haven't. Okay, and here 1 over x plus 3 just becomes ln of x plus 3, and then plus c. Now, if you need a video just to remind yourself how to integrate this sort of thing to get ln functions, please have a look at a video now. Okay, I hope that's helpful. Best of luck.